This Coldwell Banker Associated Brokers Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Donna Carlin. This is a clean 3-bedroom, 1-bath home with large rooms and walk-in closets in each bedroom. The large eat-in kitchen has a nice-sized pantry. There is a main floor laundry area and mudroom in the breezeway between the kitchen and the attached garage. The hardwood floors were recently redone on the main level and up the stairs, bedroom and hallway. This home has a main floor master bedroom with French doors and a great walk-in closet. It also has a nice enclosed front porch and foyer. Upstairs are 2 nice-sized bedrooms, an updated bathroom with nice tile surrounding the bathtub/shower. There is also a little bonus room that could be used for storage or a child's playroom. The basement is clean and dry with a newer furnace and electrical box. This will make a greater starter home or investment property. It has been freshly painted throughout the inside of the house.